start with the chapter The Lost Child. A child goes to a fair with his parents. He's happy and excited and wants the sweets and the toys displayed there. But his parents don't buy them for him. Why then does he refuse when someone else offers them to him? So, a child went to a fair with his parents and he was very excited and happy. So, as the children are, whenever you go to a fair, you all are happy and excited that what all you'll see there, what all you'll buy, and much more, right? So was he, right? He was very happy, right? But his parents don't buy them for him, so he wanted all those sweets and toys that were displayed or shown in the stalls. But his parents, उनके parents ने उनको allow नहीं किया. His parents don't buy them for him. Why then does he refuse when someone else offers them to him? But at the end, when someone else here means a stranger, not his parents, a stranger, offers him these things, right? Then why does he refuse? क्यों उन्होंने मना कर दिया? Refuse means मना कर देना, to say no, right? Why does he say no then, right? So it was the festival of spring. From the wintry shades of narrow lanes and alleys emerged a gaily clad humanity. So it was the festival of spring, and from the wintry shades means winter time. It was winter, right? It was wintry shade. Cool shades were there of narrow lanes. Narrow lanes means narrow streets, right? Alleys emerged. And alleys, what are alleys? Narrow streets which are surrounded by walls on both sides. So from those narrow streets emerged a gaily clad humanity. Gaily means cheerful and clad means dressed, and humanity here means crowd, lot of people, right? So from those narrow streets emerged what? A gaily clad humanity, right? Cheerfully dressed. How can you be cheerfully dressed? That means the people were wearing colorful dresses and they were so cheerful, they were so happy because they were going into the fair, right? Okay, so some walked, some were walking, and some were riding horses, others were sitting, while some of them were being carried, where some of them were sitting and were being carried in bamboo and bullock carts. You all know bullock carts, right? So they were being carried. One little boy ran between his father's legs, brimming over with life and laughter. So one little boy was there. He ran between his father's legs, right? So who is his father's leg? Who is his in this? The lost child. So one boy came up and he just ran between his father's leg, brimming here means he was filled with. The little boy, he was filled with what? Life and laughter, because he was enjoying the fair. So he was filled with life and laughter, that boy. Now what happened? Just see. Come, child, come, called his parents as he lagged behind, fascinated by the toys in the shops that lined the way. So, come, child, come. His parents said to the lost child, that come, child, come, as he lagged behind. Lagged means who takes a lot of time than required. So he was lagged behind. He was, he was पीछे रह गए थे. The child was lagged behind, right? Why was he lagged behind? Because he was fascinated. He got lost where? In the toys in the shops. जो toys थे shop पे, that were lined way, right? Lined the way means in stalls, like it was a line of stalls now. So all the toys were there, so he got fascinated means he was, he wanted those toys. He got lost in the toys, so that's why he lagged behind, right? So वो अपने parents से पीछे रह गए थे. Now he hurried towards his parents, right? his feet obedient to their call, right? So his feet, now he hurried, वो जल्दी से गए, right? He speed up and went, his feet obedient to their call. Whose call? Parents' call. His eyes still lingering on the receding toys. Receding means moving back. Receding means जो toys पीछे चले जा रहे थे stalls में, his eyes were still there on those what? Toys. Lingering means staring. He wanted those toys because he was so fascinated with those toys. As he came to where they had stopped to wait for him, he could not suppress the desire of his heart. Acha, now they, the parents were standing, right? They stopped. So same was the kid, right? He also stopped. Now he could not stop himself. अब वो अपने आप को रोक नहीं पाया. He could not stop himself. He could not suppress the desire. Suppress means suppress here means he could not stop the desire